Hi, my name is Charlotte. I have a degree in biomedicine from Campbell University. If you are looking for a solution to lose weight without a lot of exercises or restrictive diets, today in this honest review of Ikaria Lean Belly Juice I will tell you what is Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, ingredients, benefits, warranty, and I also have some very important warnings. So stay with me until the end of this video and pay close attention to what I have to tell you. And an important point that requires a lot of attention and care, because with the success of Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, unfortunately many people are selling the counterfeit product on the internet, but this supplement is only sold on the official site and you will not find the original Ikaria Lean Belly Juice on Amazon or any other e-commerce. To help you, I left the link to the official site here below in the description of this video. What is Ikaria Lean Belly Juice? Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is an advanced superfood complex formed from a blend of highly effective natural ingredients that are proven to flush out excess ceramides in the body to help lose belly fat and excess weight. How does Ikaria Lean Belly Juice work? Ikaria Lean Belly Juice works by addressing the root cause of belly fat and unhealthy weight gain. This underlying cause is a hike in the ceramide levels in the body that are formed in the skin cells. Studies show that when the concentration of ceramides within the cell membrane is high, it results in fat accumulation, digestive issues, and tiredness and causes weight gain and other health issues. So, it is important to inhibit the accumulation of ceramides in the body. Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, with the help of its active natural ingredients, works efficiently and flushes out the excess ceramide expression in the body in order to turn on the process of burning fat cells. With this, the metabolic process will boost up, resulting in the breakdown of food into energy instead of storing it as stubborn fat. In this way, Ikaria Lean Belly Juice works to aid in weight reduction and also helps in rejuvenating the whole body. The main ingredients used in formulating Ikaria Lean Belly Juice are acai berry extract, African mango extract, Panax ginseng, biopyrin, citrus pectin, fucoxanthin, resveratrol, milk thistle. You can check all the ingredients and benefits on the official website. All these ingredients ACT together accelerates fat burning procedure, controls blood pressure and helps regulate blood sugar, increases energy levels, improves heart health, improves joint health. Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is a powerful and unique formula that is helping thousands of people in many countries to really lose weight safely. Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is safe and has no side effects as it is made entirely from 100% natural ingredients. The production facility in the United States is in full compliance with the strict quality and potency standards set forth by the FDA and GMP. Each container of Ikaria Lean Belly Juice contains a unique powder formulation which is a 30-day serving. You are required to take 1 scoop of the formula mixed in water or any beverage every morning. You will see results in the very first week of use, but every body reacts differently. Clinical studies show that it is best to take Ikaria Lean Belly Juice consistently for at least 3 to 6 months for you to get the best results, so it is highly recommended that you get a pack of 3 bottles or 6 bottles. The more bottles you buy, the more discount you will get. Another very important thing you need to know is that Ikaria Lean Belly Juice has a 180-day money-back guarantee. If you are not fully satisfied with the supplement, if you don't lose weight, then you can request a refund from the manufacturer within 180 days of purchase, no hassle and no questions asked. This means you have nothing to lose. Conclusion: does Ikaria Lean Belly Juice work? The answer is yes. There are thousands of people who are using this product and having great results. If you are thinking about buying Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, make sure you take your treatment seriously and you will see the results as soon as possible. And remember, you have a 180-day money-back guarantee. I hope I helped you with this Ikaria Lean Belly Juice review. I wish you get the best results and have a good self-esteem like thousands of people who use this product. I am sure you will. Have a great day and thank you very much for watching.